Trump International Hotel and Tower, Chicago, is a landmark in the city's skyline. Located at 401 North Wabash Avenue, this 98-story building stands 1,189 feet tall. Designed by Adrian Smith of Skidmore, Owings and Merrill, and developed by the Trump Organization, it was completed in 2009. The tower is a mixed-use development with a luxury hotel on the lower floors and high-end residential condos above. It features sleek modern architecture with glass and steel, tapering as it rises to blend with the Chicago River and skyline. Originally planned to be the tallest building in the world, the design was scaled back after 9/11. The Trump Organization owns and manages the building, which has become a significant and sometimes controversial part of Chicago's architecture. Despite mixed reactions, it remains a luxury destination, offering stunning views and upscale amenities.